one today. We're going to use the Google Meet app. So go to Play Store. Go to Play Store, download. You have to download Google Meet. Okay, so this one is already installed in my smartphone. Now you have to make sure that you have your Google email. Okay, now you're going to type the code which will be given to you by your teacher to join the meeting. Okay, so let's say for example, your teacher sent you a code. So this part here is the code. What you're going to do is you have to copy that one, and then you click here, join with the code. Okay, so just copy and paste and then click here, join. Okay, so you can turn on here your video. Okay, and then you can also turn on your audio so that if you have any questions to your teacher or to your classmates, or you have any concerns, you can raise it and speak. Okay, but it is highly recommended that you turn off the audio, because if participants or the students, all of the students or many of the students will turn on their audio, it might create noises, unwanted noises. So we don't want that to happen. That is why I encourage you to turn this off, this one. Okay, make sure to unmute or turn off the audio. All right, and it is also recommended to turn on your audio dashboard. Okay, so that your teacher can see your faces. Okay, so once this is set up, then you can click join. Okay, now I'm going to wait for the others to join the meeting. Okay, so now I can see who joined today's meeting. So we have here, I have here one person. Okay, now if you have question, you can raise your hand or click this thing here, so that I'll be notified if you have questions. Or if you are happy, you can also send heart, like, and so on. Clap. You can also click this emoticons. And if you have questions, you can type in your questions in the messages box. Okay, so click send, and that's it. Then you can change your background if you like to. All right, so this is it. All right, so see you in our first synchronous meeting or virtual session on October 15, 2025. That's Wednesday at exactly 10 a.m. until 11:30 in the morning. Okay, see you. Goodbye.